呢條片咧就會講一講 DSE 2012年嘅 sample paper section A 嘅第3條啊，咁就係關於 application of integrations 嘅題目。咁啊，題目咧就 define 咗一個 curve，佢嘅 slope at any point x y 咧，咁就係 given 咗係 dy dx 等於 2x 乘以 lateral log 嘅 x 次加一。咁啊，given 咧呢一個 curve 咧就會 pass through 一個點就係01。咁啊，題目就叫我哋去揾個 equation of the curve。咁啊，題目就 given 咗個 slope at any point x y 啦。咁啊，如果題目係 given 咗個 equation 嘅時候，我哋可以透過個 differentiations 咁啊揾到個 slope。咁啊，而家 given 咗個 slope 嘅時候咧，咁我哋就可以透過 integrations 咧，咁啊去揾翻個 equation 出嚟啦。咁所以呢條題目個起點咧，我哋就會先利用翻題目呢一個 given 嘅 dy dx 就會係 2x 乘以 lateral log 咁啊 x 次加一，咁啊我哋就會 integrate both side 啦，咁啊 with respect to 呢一個嘅 x 嘅。咁啊先睇左手邊呢個部分啦，我哋個 slope integrate with respect to x 嘅時候咧，咁我哋就會出翻 y 咯。咁啊右手邊咧，我哋就要 integrate 2x 咁啊 log。咁啊 x 次加一，咁啊 with respect to x 啦。咁啊，我哋會見到咧，如果我哋將個 subject change 做 x 次加一咧，咁啊 let's say 我哋 differentiate 呢個 x 次加一，咁啊 with respect to x 嘅時候咧，咁我哋就會出 2x 啦。咁啊呢個 2x 咧，正正就會同題目個 integrations 入面嘅 2x 咧就會抵消。咁啊另一個方向睇咧，就我哋可以將個 2x 咧 integrate 翻入去 dx 入面。咁啊 with respect to 呢個 x 啦，咁我哋就會出 integrate log 嘅 x 次加一。咁啊 with respect to 呢一個嘅 x 次加一。咁啊個目的好簡單，我哋就要令到我哋個 integrations 嘅主項咧係 with respect to x 次加一。咁啊而呢個咧就會對應 log 括弧入面呢一個部分啦。咁啊之後我哋就可以用翻呢一個嘅大 part 去做個 integrations 啦。咁我哋就會有 y 等於咁啊 x 次加一，咁啊乘以 log 咁啊 x 次加一啦。咁然之後就再減翻 x 次加一。咁啊 with respect to 呢個 lateral log x 次加一啦。咁啊之後咧，我哋就 differentiate 翻呢一個 log x 次加一啦。咁我哋就會有而家 x 次加一乘以 lateral log x 次加一減 x 次加一。咁啊 differentiate 呢一個嘅lateral log x 次加一咧，咁我哋就會有1 over 咁啊 x 次加一，咁啊再乘以 2x 再 with respect to x 啦。咁啊 x 次加一同埋 x 次加一就會弱咗啦，咁所以後邊嘅部分咧，我哋可以繼續去做個 integrations。咁我哋就會得出 x 次加一乘以 lateral log x 次加一減integrate x，咁啊 with respect to x，咁啊我哋就會得出 x 次加一乘以 lateral log x 次加一，咁啊減 x 二次啦。咁啊因為 integrate x 咧，咁我哋就會出1/2 x 次。咁最後咧就補翻個 constant c 喺後邊。咁啊未完喎，題目就 given 咗咧呢一個 curve 咧係會 pass through 01啦，咁所以我哋就可以將呢個01咧咁啊塞翻落去，咁啊塞翻呢個01啦，咁啊 y 係1，咁 x 係0，所以我哋就會有0加1，咁啊乘以 log 嘅0加1啦，然之後再減0嘅2次，再加 c。咁啊寫好少少嘅時候咧，我哋就會有1乘以 log 1再加 c，咁啊 log 1咧我哋就會係0嘅，咁所以最終我哋就會計到 c 係等於1，咁所以最終個 equations 咧，咁啊 required equation，咁就係 y 等於 x 次加1，咁啊 lateral log x 次加1減 x 次再加1，咁啊完成 呢條題目啦。